Hey, kia ora whānau. We've just been spending some time with Lion Academy and Dion Jensen. Over the last 3 days, he's shared a whole lot of information. Can you tell us a little bit about something that you liked and something you might think that could be added in, or other areas to consider?
Kia ora te whānau. It's been an awesome 3 days. Gotten so much out of it, and I think currently where we are is Kaikohe at the moment. We've got all different puzzle pieces, but it's just a matter of pulling them together. And so what I've learnt in the last 3 days at this Lion Academy workshop is that if we all work together, we're a force to be reckoned with. And I think the thing that we've missed is having everybody here. I wish everybody came, honestly. It was that good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, more specifically for men in our community, we've got a lot of energy.
Yeah.
So it was really refreshing to see how Dion walked us through starting out as a fighter, becoming a warrior, and then transitioning into a chief. And just learning a lot about that was so refreshing.
Yeah, sweet. No, that's awesome. Thanks, whānau. Really hope and pray that things go well for you, and that we're hooking up in the future. Hey, thanks. Really appreciate it. Hey, kora.